land pollution. So, for this video, we will show you what are these human activities that causes this problem, how it will affect us, and what are the possible key solutions.
Viewers, we are here at Barangay Colog, Consolacion, Cebu. As you can see, this is the place where the garbages from other places of Cebu are sold, like Taiwan, Compostela, Consolacion, Lapu-Lapu, and etc.
Are some human activities that causes land pollution?
First, illegal mining.
Second, illegal logging.
Third, throwing of garbage anywhere.
Fourth, deforestation. Fifth, kaingin system.
Six, using of toxic chemicals. Seventh, overcrowded landfills.
Lastly, many construction activities.
These are the harmful effects of land pollution. Flash flood. Landslide.
Soil erosion.
Decrease in soil fertility.
Go. Here are the possible key solutions for this problem. First, replant trees. Second, report those people who violated the law. Third, be the role model for change. Fourth, control the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, insecticides, and herbicides. Fifth, proper garbage disposal. Remember the 3 R's: reduce, recycle, and reuse.
See a change, stop land pollution, save Mother Earth.